Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here again. So as you guys know, I fixed this the other day, and I mowed my lawn with it, and I actually listed it for sale. And but then the next day I came out and I smelled fuel, and it was all right over there, you know. So I removed the gas tank, and it was leaking from the bottom of it, and I couldn't understand why until I looked really closely. And then I used a wired bristle brush and saw pinholes in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pinholes. Damn, I've never seen that before. I guess it's kind of rusty on the inside. Can't tell, but there's some. But I mean, the whole thing feels really solid, you know. So I'm really surprised to see such perfect little holes, almost like somebody put it there on purpose. You know what I mean? But I'm going to put a couple of weld tacks in there to seal it. I hope nothing happens to me. Welding is always kind of dangerous. No, that's not going to work. I just made a hole in it. Bigger hole. This thing sucks. Yep. I don't think it's going to work. I just made a big hole in one of the holes. Yep. Made a bigger hole. Oh man. It's too strong. Oh, hole's bigger. That sucks. I wish one of you guys would have told me this would happen. Worked on one of them. Or 2 of them. Time to get a new gas tank, because this one's done. I guess I'm not going to weld gas tanks anymore. See you guys next time, Mowers and Blowers.